Take a look at the live results right here on my screen. This is fresh Adsterra earning and payment proof coming in consistently. If you have been searching for a real, reliable online income stream that actually works, pay attention. This is the Adsterra loading method, and it offers a 100% earning guarantee from day one, generating a minimum of $100 every single day. You do not need to spend money on an expensive computer or a high-specification laptop. My custom automated bot is lightweight and runs smoothly on any normal, everyday device. You can also completely forget about building a website, registering domains, or paying monthly web hosting fees. The entire method functions using nothing more than your Adsterra direct link, making it incredibly simple to set up and run. There are no hidden costs, no surprise recurring fees, and zero extra investment needed after you join. The complete price for full lifetime access to this bot and method is a flat, one-time payment of $250. To make international transactions easy for everyone, I accept payments via Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know how common fake videos and edited screenshots are across the internet, so being cautious is completely understandable. That is why I offer complete transparency. If you have any doubts about these numbers being real, message me directly right now. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop putting off your financial goals while others generate daily automated income. Reach out to me right now, grab your copy of the bot, and let's start getting your daily earnings locked in today.